Walmart will pay you up to $8,000 per month just to work from home. And the best part about it is that it's absolutely free. Anybody can do this, and you don't have to show your face. Let me show you how. You're gonna wanna save this one. First thing you're gonna wanna do is head on over to Google and type in Walmart affiliate program. Now select the first option. It's gonna take you to a Walmart creator page. Just go ahead and apply. Now, once you've applied, you should get an account to where they go ahead and give you access to where you can grab your affiliate links. Now, remember, you could select from thousands of products here, but make sure just to start with one just to keep it simple. Next, you're gonna head on over to Pinterest.com and create your free account. Once you've created your free account, go up to this button that says create and make sure to hit create pin. Now, here is where you're gonna set up your pin, and you want it to look just like an ad. So you're gonna put the image here, a title, and a light description of the product. Now, make sure you don't miss this next part. It's super important. It's how you get paid. Now, here where it says add a destination link is where you're gonna put your affiliate link you got from Walmart to where when people click this and purchase, you get paid. Once you're done with all that, just go up to the top here and hit publish. Now, what all this is called is affiliate marketing. And if you want to see how ordinary people just like myself are making 5 figures plus every single month doing this from home, make sure to go to the link in my bio.